Hi friends, today I learned something amazing, and that is how to write custom functions in Google Sheets. So I had to sort this year by the month, and you see here Jan, Feb, Mar stands for January, February, March. And of course you do not want to sort by alphabet, but you want to sort by the number of the month. So I created a function month number like this. You call it as you are used to. And it gives you 1 for January. Let's see if it also works for February and March. It does. So the question is, how did I do this? I just went to extensions, app script, and defined the function month number. And this function returns the number of the month, and is just normal Google script. And this is how I did it. Hope this helps you in your career. If yes, please give it a like, give me a comment. I love discussing with you. See you in the comments.